Ayun, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I'm your host and book curator for today. This is Cindy, and welcome to another book talk at Eight Letters. So today, if you can see, if you're under 18, please don't watch this video. Okay, but if you're 18 and above, you'll be safe, you'll be fine. Kasi ang tatalakayin nating libro for today is a collection of English Filipino anthology of erotic flash fiction. So please press pause or escape if you're under 18. We're going to talk about Wild Tales by Chad Marcelino. Okay, so welcome, Chad. Welcome to our book talk. Yay!
Hi.
Yay!
Hello.
So please introduce yourself to our audience.
Right. So, hi, I'm Chad. Um, ang dami ko nang napagdaanan. But when it comes to writing, I used to write for a different publishing company before, if I can mention po ba.
Sure. Mm-mm.
Yeah, so I wrote for Precious Pages since 2014. I started with young adult books, and then with their regular imprint, and then nag-fantasy din ako. And then they had their Pride imprint. And then medyo nag-stop for a while kasi pandemic and all. And then bumalik ulit to sa writing na yun with 8 letters. And we have Wild Ways.
Ayun. So, you mentioned young adult, precious pages, and then the imprint, and then now we have Wild Tales. I can see, there's quite a development. There's a jump of genres. So why all of a sudden nga ba na you decide to publish Wild Tales or this erotic flash fiction naman?
Uh, okay, so we started actually with young adult, but still the goal here is to uh, write for the regular imprint, which is medyo ano na siya, hindi naman medyo mature pero hindi as right on erotic talaga. Actually, before sa Precious Pages, they have their imprint also for erotic stories called Red Room. And
Mhm.
then this was an attempt actually, pero parang before they were not yet open to flash fiction formats. They wanted like a long or full length novel. Kasi yun
Mhm.
talagang 24,000 words, 30,000 words. This one kasi for Wild Tales, in-intro ko na, no? For
Mhm.
Wild Tales, it's flash fiction. We're only talking about really short stories, parang micro
Mhm.
story nga yun.
Mhm. Yeah, so pag sinabi nating flash fiction, they are very, very quick reads lang na 500 words. Pero nandun pa rin yung build-up ng story at, oh my God, nabasa ko yung mga entries dito. It's so mind-blowing. This is wife porn. Wife porn. Or, okay, this reminds me of the Serex days. Meron pa bang Serex ngayon? I'm not sure. Meron pa ba? Okay. Have you read that? Ito ba isa sa mga influences mo or may iba ka pang mga naging influences?
Mm. Actually, ang tagal na nun eh. Parang 90s to early 2000s pa yata yung series. Pero
True.
hindi naman. I've read a couple before, pero ang talagang influences ko for Wild Tales, I had two major influences. Number one is the movie called Wild Tales or Relatos Salvajes. It's a 2014 Argentine film na yun talaga, hindi siya yung wild na about sex. Yun talaga yung
Mm.
wild na talagang grabe yung height ng emotions, galit, uh, drama and all. Natuwa ako dun sa format na parang anthology siya,
Mm.
clips like 10-minute or 15-minute or 5-minute clip. The first movie was just like parang 8 minutes lang yata. So, ang cool pala to pack a very juicy story in just a couple of minutes. So why not do it in flash fiction format? And another one is number two. I have this friend, si Pat Baranta. Cowork ko siya before. She has, she is actually, she graduated in BSU with a degree in creative writing in Filipino, malikhaing pagsulat.
Mhm.
So their thesis is they had to submit like a collection of work. Yung talaga parang, ano nila, personal and sila mismo yung may gawa. So what she did is she wrote an anthology as well called Walang Kasintabi. Yun yung parang kanyang thesis sa
Mhm.
ano sa college nila. And I was so inspired because it was really parang mind blowing din yun eh. If we can commercialize it, why not? But I think it's an academic paper, so I don't know. But yeah, those are the two major influences of this book.
Mhm. Right. One of the things that I observed then sa book, well, because it's an English-Filipino anthology, very, very Filipino yung setup. So there was even one na long distance sila. You know, that happens a lot in many
Yes.
Filipinos, around the world. So aside from the erotic setup dito sa book na to, sa collection na to, are there any other elements na sinubukan mong ilagay? I mean, I can see the Filipino setup, like the Filipino contemporary or yung modern, ano
Yes.
natin, living natin. Yeah, meron pa bang iba?
Uh, Yun, aside from the Filipino contemporary element, dito ako nagpaka-technical eh. Kasi, yeah, since it's an erotic flash fiction, I limited it into a certain number of words. Wherein, lahat ng stories in this anthology, lahat sila 500 words to
Mhm.
599 words only. Walang lalagpas, walang kukulang. So,
Mhm.
that's the another side of being creative eh. Yung you have to be you have to explore more doon sa mismong parameters na ginawa ko. So, hindi lang siya porket creative just because it contains a
Mhm.
lot of like fantastic elements or anything. Creative siya in a way because you have to make a build up, make a story within that parang yun nga, yung guidelines or yung parameters na, which is yung number of words. I think that's the most distinct element na talagang na-explore ko dito sa Wild Tales.
Mhm. Yeah, so yung number of words, like you have to make them so concise, diba? 500
Yes.
words. And then at the same time, I want to point out that there are 69 entries in total. Okay. Yan. So gets na yan agad ng mga mambabasa. Um,
Yes.
okay, siguro bigyan natin ng patikim muna before we continue sa ating question and answer portion para at least they'll know what they can get out after reading Wild Tales. Okay, so
Right.
you'll read an excerpt for us, right? Ayan, you have a
Yeah,
copy.
sure. I have it here. I have the copy of the book, Wild Tales. So right now, I'm going to read number 52, the 52nd story entitled Dancing with a Stranger. Okay. So, for all I know, Tracy found a new guy to fuck that slut bitch for. Okay lang sumigaw. Hingi naman sa paligid. And I won't do it if I am not in a bar, terribly intoxicated. Why? Ikaw ba naman ang splitan ng girlfriend over a Facebook call? How insensitive. Malakay, we need to leave. May pasok pa tayo bukas eh. Stop crying over your ex. Sigaw sa akin ng kaibigan kong si Taki. Dude, I need a friend right now. Saka uminom ng isa pang tequila shot. Bro, 1 a.m. na. Tag-iimus pa ako. Nasa timog tayo ngayon. Fine. Leave me here. I can take care of myself. Bahala ka. And I was left alone despite the sea of people dancing to the clamorous trance beat. Wala eh. Even my best friend has his limits. But this night shouldn't end here. I need to do something. I need to get this hurt out of my system. Let's dance? Well, sabi ng katabi ko, I am drunk, but I can still recognize beauty when I see one. Surprisingly, I found myself kissing her. Pinigil naman niya agad ako. Easy, Tiger. Come on, stand up. At naramdaman ko na lang na sa dance floor na ako. doing my best to keep up with the beat, habang tinatawanan ako ng babaeng nasa harap ko. Look what you made me do, Tracy. I'm dancing with a stranger. I don't want to be alone tonight, sabi ko sa babae. I'm here, Tiger, sabi niya. And I just let go of any inhibition I had in my body. Sayaw kong sayaw. The hell I care if I have two left feet. I need somebody who can take control, suggestion ko. I'm here, Tiger, sabi ng babae. And moments later, the woman was on top of me. I was lying on a bed in a dark room. I'm assuming we're in a love hotel, which means we're about to make love. Hey, bulong. What? Ano yan? It's pretty clear that I'm not over her, sabi ko. You need to get her off your mind. I know exactly what to do. She went down and poured little kisses from my neck, going to my chest, to my nipples, to my navel, to my tummy. She even unbuttoned my button-fly jeans with her mouth. What would she expect? My boner has sprung sprightly. Mabilis na sinunggaban niya yun at labas-masok na ipinadalas niya sa kanyang bibig. For 10 minutes she did that until she decided to sit down on it. Holy fuck, this is insane, sabi ng utak ko. Tracy and I fucked, but there's something strange feeling down there, which I like. It was oddly narrow, but I loved it. I gazed at her physique. Nakatalikod siya sa akin while pumping. She had a slim body, and she had a nice figure. I don't know if I'm still drunk or I'm beginning to be sober, but what I'm sure is I'm gonna come. Napahigpit ang hawak ko sa bewang niya hanggang ginigiyak siya. Not inside me, sabi niya. Where? Hindi niya na sinagot ang tanong ko. Bagkos tumayo siya at muling isinubo ang aking ari. Oh gosh, she took every drop, which Tracy never did. Oh great, won't make you pregnant, yeah. Komento ko. Will never be, don't worry, she replied. Panandaliang naningkit ang mga mata ko hanggang sa unting-unting lumaki ito. Ano pangalan mo? Latrice, sabi niya. I smirked, which I didn't really mind, even if she were yung totoo. She then responded with a mischievous grin. She said, Lester. Dancing with a stranger.
Ayan. Okay, the plot twist is always in the end.
Yes.
Like the last few lines. Para siyang, I can imagine readers having this book beside their bed, read an entry every night hanggang sa makatulog. Oh my God. Ayan. Or gusto nyo, or gusto nyo i-marathon nyo. Okay lang din. Okay lang din. But I feel like each story needs some time to digest and lunukin. That was fun. Thank you, Chad. So did you have fun writing this or do you feel like mauubusan na ako ng entry? Ano naman kaya?
Okay, so backstory lang. Wild Tales, actually, I started working on it since 2016. Doon kami nakakilala ng friend ko na si Pat. Doon niya na-share sa akin yung thesis niya. And then, I started writing in a month, parang nakakatatlo ako or apat. And then, parang as the years go by, parang tumatagal ako. Kasi ang hirap mag-isip ng sexual angle plus you have to make it creative to apply it to the story. And then, yun sabi ko, parang nauubusan na ako ng ideas. And then, tumagal, and then I tried to revisit the manuscript again. And so far, nadagdagan naman siya after a while. Yeah. And then here we are.
How long did it take you? Kasi sabi mo 1 month for entries.
May mga ganun kasi. There are some na it's easy to write, it's easy to read. And then there are some na parang, I would like to include this angle, but I don't know how to execute it. So I need more research, I need more exposures of friends or to any other sources. So ang hirap din. Plus, pagkakasyahin ko pa siya in 500 to 599 words. So, it's a challenge, but it's a fun challenge because, it exercises your mind, exercises your creativity.
Yeah. So, Chad, this question also is for you. in our imprint under hit list, we have very, very few titles. So I believe then only a few writers can execute it well. You've done this very well. So what I want to know is, well, firstly, marami namang nagbabasa ngayon ng erotic. But can you tell us siguro who do you imagine the readers would be ng Wild Tales?
Hmm.
Who should read this book?
Yes, yeah. You should read this book. I think the target market for this is the new adult, which ranges
Mm.
parang 20 onwards yata or 21 years old. Mga ganon. So, new adult. I'm confident that Wild Tales, although it contains a lot of mature scenes, um, hindi siya, hindi siya yung parang, ang tawag dito, I won't say cheap, parang it won't sound cheap kasi um, parang may pagka-scholastic pa kayo. Parang feeling ko, parang very ano pa siya, parang tunog academic pa pag binasa. It doesn't sound like parang amateurish, I would say.
Mm.
Yeah, and syempre, of course, we follow the Commission ng Wikang Filipino for our guidelines, for our grammar and all. But yeah, um, yun yung ano ko, parang target ko, like those new adult readers na they can process, na
Mhm.
they can process, but still, parang it will sound, ano, scholarly, academically, parang ganun pa rin. Hindi siya yung parang amateurish pakinggan. So,
Yeah,
new adult readers.
I like that. I like that because um, there were plenty of attempts, or there are plenty of attempts to write such genre. And sabi ko nga, hindi siya madali because it can easily sound amateurish, lalo na kung hindi maayos yung pagkakakompose, like masyadong minadali yung eksena, or masyadong, paano ba, nag-focus lang sa part na yon. The,
Yes,
the, the
that's also
erotic.
my concern. Yung ano,
Mhm.
kasi I read a lot, and then although in general, erotica focuses only on that eh. Pero syempre,
Mhm.
iba pa rin yung merong parang I would say subgenre. Like, it can be comedy. Ang daming comedy stories dito eh. Tapos, it can be dark, it can be dramatic, it could be parang a suspense, ano na rin. Pero, yeah. And I also have one story din, if I could remember, na never talaga akong gumamit ng mga malalaswang terms. But it was
Mhm.
still erotic in a way. Parang, ano eh, nandun pa rin yung sexual tension, nandun pa rin yung excitement, pero wala talaga siyang, ano. So that's also another form. Parang dito ako talaga nagpaka-technical. Sa totoo lang. Very technical siya, pero creative in a way. Kasi nga, there are a lot of angles, there are a lot of elements na mababasa mo in each story.
Yan. Bigyan natin ng award. Please.
Benta muna.
May ganyan bang genre sa National Book Award?
Hindi ko sure.
Diba? Baka may
I think there is kasi before parang
anthology.
siguro under anthology, pero hindi erotic eh. Pero before kasi in experience namin before sa Red Room, although I haven't published any in Red Room na kasi hindi nila carry yung flash fiction. Alam ko meron eh. Pero yeah, I'm not aiming an award, pero if mapagbigyan, why not? Benta na lang muna.
Yeah, very, very, that's very tasteful. Very demure in a way. Yan. Okay, so it's good na as well that you have you have a friend na you've mentioned earlier na while she's doing her thesis. But have you ever also, since this is also a sensitive topic, have you mentioned it to your circle, yung Wild Tales, the book itself? And
Yes,
if you
na-mention.
have, yeah, what are their comments?
I'm looking forward to having a copy or to reading it. Tapos parang, ewan ko, parang baka feeling nila ako lahat ito. Kaya pwede ko
Hindi naman ikaw.
So, pwede imagination lang and a lot of free writing prerequisites or imagination. But yeah, we'll see. I share this with my friends, with my circle, and yeah, we're really looking forward. Kasi they know that I write. I
Mhm.
publish a couple of books in the past, and they have their copies naman. So, siguro it's something new for them kasi mostly before in the past like I do young adult romance or yung regular romance, yung adult romance, but not erotic. Even
Mhm.
Pride, like gay to gay or lesbians and
Mhm.
next ko na siya, but not really erotic. So they're looking forward to something new.
Yay. Yes. Um, okay, so you mentioned earlier everyone that 21 years old and above can read this. Do you think this would sort of entertain and also open their minds kung hindi pa nila na-explore ang kanilang sexuality? Yeah, or
Yeah, that's also one of the goals here. Parang although the sexual element is there, pero kasi iba-iba siya per story eh. So,
mm,
you can really explore, you can really parang uh, grasp each story na baka ito may influence sa'yo, ito meron, ito possible na wala, but who knows in the past, ay in the future na meron pala or magkakaroon pala. So, yeah, that's also
mhm,
because parang to explore their minds eh. Not technically yung i-apply nila ha, but yung the
mhm,
curiosity, yung para ma-trigger yung curiosity nila to not really to do these things, but maybe explore themselves.
mhm.
Yeah.
There. Okay, second to the last question. What's next for Chad? You just launched this book, or in the process of launching it. Are you even thinking something forward, like next book, or will you stick to the same genre, or since based in your history, no, na you jump from young adult and now to erotic. Would you explore another genre?
Yeah. Right now may pending, so hindi pa na-release pero nagsa-start na ulit ako ng book. Nag-book to na ulit. Meron na ako
Mm,
nakabindin na like 5 stories yata. Pero
mm,
totally different. Yung something na hindi mababasa in this one. So really something new. And also, I have another book na gusto ko na rin siyang tapusin. Pandemic pa siya nasimulan, pero hanggang ngayon wala pa. Hindi ko na
mm,
natuloy. Medyo dark siya. Parang
mm.
nagpapaka-Black Mirror ako doon. So, yeah. Yun
Wow.
yung dalawang project na tinatry kong i-aim maybe after Wild Tales. So Wild Tales 2 plus the
Mm.
Dark Book.
Yeah, so there'll be more wild tales. Yay! Okay, pero okay din yung kaninang sinabi mo. Okay. Like Black Mirror style. So where can our viewers also follow you, find more about your works? Nagsusulat ka rin ba online?
Ngayon, hindi ko na na-update kasi yung Wattpad ko.
Mm,
Ang tagal ko na hindi nag-aarap. But yeah, Chad Marcelino, it's all on social media. Madali naman i-search and then for sure for 8 letters, makikita rin yung links. I mean, affiliated na rin ako sa 8 letters. So, yeah, Chad
yan.
Marcelino.
Chad Marcelino. So give Chad Marcelino a follow, and of course, get a copy of the book Wild Tales, an English Filipino anthology of erotic flash fiction. This is the first. This is the first here at Eight Letters. We're very proud na you've chosen us to launch this book, and yeah, thank you, Chad. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ayan.
Thank you.
Balik kayo guys for our next book talk. And of course, get a copy of Wild Tales. Thank you, Chad. Bye
Thank
everyone.
you.